Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to blur background of a photo in Photoshop like in this photo. Let's start. Open the photo whose background I want to blur. First, duplicate the layer by dragging the layer containing the photo onto the plus symbol at the bottom. Then choose any selection tool from the toolbar on the left side here. Now click on select object at the top. I want to zoom in to see the selection area close up. Now you can refine the selection using tools here, these tools. Adjust the brush. Smaller. Yeah. Then go to select menu, then modify and smooth. Sample radius 2 pixels is okay. Now zoom out. We are duplicate the layer by using Ctrl and J keys together, or go to layer menu, then new and layer via copy. Then we right click on the layer containing the thumbnail and select pixels, hide this layer and select background copy. Now we are going to select menu and modify, then expand. Here we change the expand value. You can try different things by entering different values. For now I am entering 20. Then we go to the edit menu and select content aware fill. This removes the selected object and makes it blend in with the background like this. Then click OK and Ctrl D. After this, select these layers, then right click again and convert to smart object. Then visible the layer with the parrot and we are going to filter menu and blur, then Gaussian blur. You can adjust the blur as much as you want from this setting. Or more. I think it's enough for me. Dear friends, we have come to the end of another program. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, turn on your notification bells and share your thoughts in the comments section. See you in another program. Goodbye.